In this video, we're going to format a slicer. Here we have a couple of slicers, and I would like to format them a little bit. Let's start with the date slicer, and I'm going to grab this rep one and just move it out of the way. So I'll click on it, and then I see my 4-directional arrow, so I can click and hold my mouse button down and just drag him to the side for now so he's out of the way. If I want to format a slicer, I can click on the slicer itself and go to Slicer Tools and then Options. Notice that I have some color choices under Slicer Styles, and I can open that up and choose from the different styles that are there. So here I just changed it from blue to orange. In addition, I have on the right side of my Slicer Tool Options bar, I can choose the number of columns. So here, let's increase the number of columns to 2 or even 3. And you notice that it's changing the width of the buttons that are inside my slicer and stacking them into more columns. In addition, I can change the width of my slicer. I can either do it by dragging. Here I'm changing the width, or I could go up into my options section, and here's height and width, and I can change it here. So if I want a specific size, I could type them in there. I can also grab the bottom and change the height. And inside this pivot table options, I can change the height and the width of the buttons themselves, though it does a good job of automatically resizing them as I change the width and the height of my slicer.